Well, I don't know how to start this video, but I would say welcome back. It's not really, I'm not really in the mood to say welcome back because this is terrible. So let me show you. You saw the thumbnail. Let me just tell you what happened. So I was going to do a haul video. I've already moved some stuff around. These cars here. I was going to do a haul video. Had it all set up right on the tripod, and I had my work jacket on, and it's loud. So as I was like moving my arms, I'm like, I got to take this off. So I'm standing here, and I took my jacket off, and I tossed it over this chair. And when I tossed it over the chair, Ruthie's truck was like right there, and somehow my jacket caught it, and it flung it onto the floor, and it broke the engine. Oh, it actually broke the engine. Broke the engine from the transmission. There are the headers broken into pieces, and that's just virtually impossible. This one didn't break, but this one broke into pieces. The engine is fine. It didn't even hurt it. I don't see anything damaged on the engine itself, except for the back of the transmission is broken now. And I am devastated because it is Saturday. What's today's date? I don't know. Saturday. Next Saturday is JaxCon, and there's no way that I can get another engine. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This is not good. And I've called, everything was going great. I mean, it could have, why was, like, look at mine. It's sitting right here. Why didn't it happen to mine? I would have rather it happened to mine than to break Ruthie's with all the time that we've spent together building this thing. But it is what it is. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm going to try to, oh man, I've got some solders somewhere. I don't even know where it's at now. Here's some solder right here. I don't know if I don't even know if this is the right size solder. It might be too big, but I have some other size solder. Oh man, this is not good. Not a good video, guys. I don't know. Sometimes you just get enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, we've been trying really hard. You guys haven't even seen an update video on her truck. We were so proud of it, and then all of a sudden it gets knocked off because of some stupid jacket. Man. Well, I don't know. It may not make it to JaxCon because I was looking at the guy who made the engine. Texas 3D Customs, I think is what the site's called. I got off eBay, but he's got a website, and it showed 5 to 8 days shipping. I've ordered from him in the past, and it takes a good week for it to get here. So there's no possible way that we could get a replacement set of zoomies. I don't know. We shall see. Daddy gonna brainstorm for sure, but there's modifications on this that are specifically for these zoomies, like the cutouts on the fenders because the zoomies came down. Oh man, I can't believe that. This is horrible, guys. This is just terrible. I would have rather my car fallen off the bench and me completely stepped on it and broke it into a million pieces, and I'd have been okay with it. But it's Ruthie's truck, and she wasn't even out here when it happened. It's not like she's working on it, she accidentally dropped it. No, Daddy got to do it, right? I don't know what to do. Anyway, sorry, this isn't like an uplifting video or anything like that, but you guys, I'm sure you feel my pain. I know things probably have happened to you guys as well, so I don't know. We shall see. I'm going to break out the solder and see if I can. I've never made anything out of solder, except solder. I've soldered pipes before, but I've never made any pipes or headers or anything like that, exhaust. So I'm going to see what I can find, and this is very unfortunate. even if I knew someone with a 3D printer, it's like you don't know the specs of these headers, so it's like even at that, I don't think it would be feasible. Man, this is terrible. Anyway, guys, hey, say a little prayer for me. Maybe I can get something together, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.